friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about AI. About AI. Artificial intelligence is a simulation of a human intelligence processes by machine, especially computer system. Specific application of AI include expert system, natural language processing, speech recognition and machine vision. In simple words, we can say that AI can be defined as the ability of a computer system that has hardware and software to do tasks that are normally require human intelligence. How AI can change the world? AI can help automate and speed up the process within society, such as increasing efficiency in a workplace or improving decision making. In simple words, it is capable of human making tasks more easier. These systems and or machines reduce the time, effort, error while increasing efficiency, but not without risk. AI can also be misused. It can used to make weapons that are more powerful and dangerous at the same time. This technology can help terrorists make their attack as powerful as possible. Cyber criminals can use AI to hack into people's private online profiles. AI also raises serious concern about privacy. Future of AI: healthcare, security defense, education, banking and finance, autonomous vehicles, manufacturing, entertainment, and workplace. Now, real life usage of AI: chatbots, Microsoft Bing, Google Duplex and Hold for Me, Smart Compose, Quick Reply, and Grammar Check, life saving AI, speech recognition, Google Lens, social media feeds, Amazon and Netflix recommendation, Google Assistant, and camera. There are some more AI real life usage of AI: gaming, NLP means natural language processing, decision making, vision system, handwriting recognition, intelligent robots, life saving AI, commercial establishment, and entertaining AI. Now, dominance of AI: data, information that has been converted into a form that is more efficient for processing and transfer. Computer vision: one of the fields of artificial intelligence that trains and enables computer to understand the visual world. Natural language processing, machine translation, summarization, ticket classification, and spell check. Fields that are really close to AI. Machine learning. Machine learning is an artificial intelligence characteristic that allows a computer to automatically acquire data and learn from the difficulties. Artificial neural networks, a method in artificial intelligence that teaches computer to process data in a way that is inspired by the human brain. Data science, the field of a study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics and statistics to extract meaningful insights from data. Robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of computer science and engineering. Difference between strong AI and a weak AI. Strong AI. Strong AI have their mind and exhibit abilities of a human cognitive. Strong AI is the future of artificial intelligence, to develop innovative approaches for every task or problem through artificial intelligence. Weak AI. The maximum level of strong AI is to match accurate human intelligence. Weak AI is the present form of artificial intelligence, to solve problems and tasks at a faster pace and accomplish the particular task. Till here we are only doing. In our next video we are going to start with AI project cycle. So if any topic I have left, just comment me down below. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.